Alright, welcome to the Foundry project for the Stealth Vest. This is going to be just like the Stealth Jacket Foundry project that just ended. It's the same fabric, same material, same cut, same design, only in a vest form. So just to go over kind of the background with this, both the Stealth Jacket and the Stealth Vest were something that the community has been asking for a long time. We had the Stealth Hoodie previously, many moons ago. So we decided to do the Foundry project for the jacket, and then I think we got to about 85% or so in terms of raw materials that were consumed for that. Black has pretty much been completely consumed, so that leaves UE gray and ME green. We have just a little bit of both fabrics, so we wanted to go ahead and do something else that the community had been asking for, thus the Stealth Vest. So to go over the features and benefits of it, it's the same shoulder sea change with nanosphere technology. So basically what that means is it's the most water resistant garment we offer, and really the most waterproof, if you will. We can't really call it waterproof because it's not seam taped, because it is fleece lined. So it's about as close to waterproof as you can get without calling it waterproof. So it is fleece lined, just like the previous project with the jacket. So you can see here just a really nice fine micro fleece. The pocket layout is just the same. So two pockets here, two zip down pockets. On the inside you do have that mesh lining, and so what you can do there is, if this were to heat up, you would just open up both zippers, let that air flow through, and it would remove that heat, dissipate that heat, if you will. Inside these pockets, you have one organizational pocket for a flashlight or a pen or something of that nature, and then you have a D-ring attachment point for your keys, flashlight if you want to run that on a lanyard, whatever the case may be there. You have one single zip going down the front, and then you have your standard tab Ranger eye. You have a nice high collar that you can fold down if you wish, like so, or you can leave it up just to give you a little bit of extra protection from the elements when you're wearing it. And that's really it. There's no hunter pocket or really any other added features. Again, this was just a project we wanted to do based off the community feedback, and we wanted to do it in a way that consumed some of those traditional goods that we had from the archives. It's important to note that in this video, this is the first prototype of the vest, and so you'll notice in this video that the zipper is just a little off green from the actual fabric. This is ME green. The production run of these, it will have a matching zipper on both the center zip and on the side zips here. So it's just a small change that from this first prototype to what you guys will receive in production. This particular project will have a minimum that needs to be hit, a factory minimum, so you'll note that in the status bar, so it'll show red until it crosses that minimum threshold, and then the bar will turn green. And then once that bar hits all the way to 100, or as you notice that number getting larger, that's actually raw materials that are consumed or spoken for in orders. So if you see that number creeping up, we're running low on materials, and it's your one opportunity to get in on this project. So that's just the quick overview of the Foundry project for the Stealth Vest.